In this video, we're going to talk about the kickers. Now, the kickers are these side menus, um, side navigations, quick links on each page. Now, as we've seen in editing content and creating pages, that you're mostly working with this section here. But you can change and edit these items. Now, I would like, as a disclaimer, to say that in sections like this, where you have these auto drop downs, it's a little more complicated, and if you're not real familiar with code and you don't have any reason to change those, I'd kind of stay away from them. You can still go in there and add more items down here. That'll be fine. But if you don't really have a reason to edit this, I would stay away from it, and feel free to give us a holler if something goes wrong. Same with over here. There's no real reason to go in there and edit them, but I think it's important that you understand how they work and have the ability to edit them in the event that you do need to change something. Okay, so let's go into the editor. I've gone to Manage Pages, and then I'm going to come all the way down here where it says Kicker. No idea why they call them that. You know, they come up with all kinds of crazy things in this industry, so that's what they're called. So as I go through here, you're going to see that each section, each page has its own folder with its own kickers in it. So that would be each side. So I'm going to click on Pahrump Valley as our sample, and you can see that it has Pahrump Valley left side and Pahrump Valley quick links. So let's take a look at the quick links. I'm going to go Action, Edit, and it looks just like the other pages. And then as I scroll down, you can see that this information is right here. If I want to change a link, I can simply click this, click Unlink, click Link, and link the page. If I want to delete something, I simply select it and click the Delete button. If I were to add one more to this, I would simply click here, then hit the space button so that it brings it down a line, or I'm sorry, the return. And then just add in your artwork using this button here to add the art, and then add your text, select, and link. It's that easy. So I'm going to cancel and go on out of that. I'm going to go back into Kicker, and I go back into Pahrump Valley, left side navigation, edit page. So here you can see that it looks a little different. I can actually see those drop-down menus open. So if you needed to change a link on one of these, simply click it, remove the link, pardon me, click Link, and then set the parameters for the page that you want it to go to. It's pretty simple. If you wanted to delete something, same thing. You would select it and hit Delete, and there'll be no problem. If you need to add another one, click here, hit Return or Enter, and then type in your next item, select the text, and link it. So pretty easy to use these items. You can also just add text if you have a little message you want to add in there, or you want to put a little ad in there. You can do that as well. Pretty simple to work with your kicker. Let us know if you have any questions.